Presented to you by grumpyfoot.com.
There's a moment when you find yourself alone at the base of a climb that used to intimidate you. The kind of ascent where every ounce of weight and every stray bit of drag once felt like an anchor. That's when you notice how the frame under you seems to vanish, leaving only your breath, your legs, and the open road. The new Scott Addict RC understands this feeling in a way that most machines never will. It's a race bike engineered to defy gravity, shaped by obsessive carbon craftsmanship that hollowed out the frame into something breathtakingly light and free of needless bulk. The tires meet the pavement and transmit every subtle ripple of the road surface through a geometry that, against all odds, balances razor-sharp responsiveness with a calm, confident stability. You push harder, test its limits, find that effortless shift from climbing to sprinting, and realize it's not resisting you at all. It's working in harmony with you, channeling every watt of effort toward the horizon ahead. The cockpit melts into the overall flow of the design, a sleek instrument of minimalism and efficiency, and even the simplest adjustments feel intuitive. There's nothing heavy-handed about it. It doesn't strain for attention or decorate itself with unnecessary flourishes. Instead, it invites you to point it skyward or let it run wild downhill, and then quietly shows you just how much you can accomplish when a bicycle fades into pure potential. If you demand a bike that keeps pace with your ambitions, one that rewards determination and skill with sublime lightness and unrivaled responsiveness, this might be the one that changes your sense of what's possible on two wheels.
Juliet Kilo.